How to position size correctly in crypto. So you've got your setup, you know where you want to enter, and you know where you want to put your stop. But the real question is, how much should you actually risk per trade? Because this is where most traders go wrong. They either risk too much, blow their account, or they risk too little and don't make meaningful progress. I'm Alex from Tradeify Crypto, and I'm going to show you how to position size correctly. First, let's keep it simple. Every trade should be based on how much you're willing to lose. Step 1. Decide how much you're willing to lose per trade. This is usually a percentage of your account. For most traders, this is between 0.5% to 2% per trade. If you're newer, stay lower. If you're more experienced, you can increase slightly your risk. Step 2. Define your stop loss. Where is your trade invalid and what level are you wrong? This is where you're going to put your stop. Step 3. Calculate your position size. Now your risk stays fixed, but your position can always change based on how far your stop loss is. You're going to take your risk and you're going to divide that by the distance from your entry to your stop loss in dollars. Now that's going to give you a number of units that you're going to put on this trade. Let me give you an example. Now let's say you have a $100,000 account and you want to open up a short on BTC. You only want to risk $1,000 on this particular trade. Now you can see the distance from your entry to the place where you want to get out of the trade is $793. So you're going to take that $1,000, which is your risk, divide that by 793, and that is going to give you 1.26 of Bitcoin. That 1.26 Bitcoin is the amount of Bitcoin you need to sell in order to keep your risk at $1,000. And that's it. Super simple and much easier to control your risk than other markets like futures and options.